Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about this Manix 2 lightweight. Originally it comes with these scales right here. For my preference, I don't really like plastic on my knives, so I decided to upgrade to these aluminum scales. You actually get rid of these two washer plates. They fit inside of these little holes. And I also swapped out the regular carry clip for a deep carry clip. When I first got the knife, the blade centering was already kind of bad. And at first I thought, maybe if I get these aluminum scales, it's going to fix the problem because these are nicely machined. Turns out that's not the case. The first thing we're going to have to do is take apart this knife. Probably T10 and T8. Here's the knife totally disassembled. You can get a better look at all the parts we're dealing with. The issue that I'm having with this knife is this piece in particular. At the factory, I assume they use a laser. There's a laser cut finish on this surface and this bottom surface here. The problem with that is while it is extremely efficient and fast, the kerf of the laser cuts at an angle. You can see there that it's a conical cut. That's the only spot where it touches the blade, which is no bueno. Because it's too wide, this Cerakote is being scraped away on the inside here. And on this side, there is no damage done. Once this is machined properly, then that will no longer cause an issue. Let's go over to my tools and file on this piece a little bit. I'm going to be using my drill press table because it's the flattest surface that I have access to right now. Got a speed square. Here's the little metal piece from the knife. Really out of square. I'll definitely have to do some improvements to this edge as well. So let's go ahead and assemble the knife. Hops lubricating oil, dollop on here. It's probably way too much. And then we get one of these washers, slap that on there. Then we get the center pivot. This is kind of challenging to do. Ugh. There we go. Now the lock functions. Perfectly done. Okay, let's get this tiny little screw and put it in here. Lock still functions. Great, great. Get this in here. Nice. I got this thing back assembled. I fiddled with it for quite a while, trying to get that centering really perfect. You can see down in there all of the filing that I did on that piece of metal. There's a different finish on it now. It is perfectly straight and a little bit chamfered, as well as at the front here. And you can see that it contacts directly in the center. So much better lockup. And the action has improved. Absolutely zero blade play. And the centering has improved, as you see. I'm super excited to use this knife in the coming months. I will give you a full review on it once I get a bit more pocket time. Please consider subscribing or at least giving this video a like. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.